Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to reading attraction like a pro. Have you ever been unsure whether a girl is just being friendly or if she's genuinely into you? Many guys miss out on meaningful connections simply because they don't recognize the subtle signals women give. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to spot these signs with confidence and never second guess yourself again. Before we jump in, if you love content about relationships, psychology, and human behavior, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. 1. The focused gaze. Picture this. You walk into a coffee shop, grab your favorite drink, and find a comfortable seat. As you casually glance around, you lock eyes with a girl. But instead of looking away immediately, she holds her gaze just a little longer than expected. This is no coincidence. Women are deliberate with their attention, and if she keeps looking your way, it's likely because she finds you intriguing. Here's a simple trick to test her interest. When entering a room, resist the urge to scan the crowd right away. Instead, take your time settling in. Then, start observing. If she meets your eyes more than once, chances are she's into you. Confidence and presence are irresistible, so own the moment and watch how people respond. 2. The downward glance. Building on our first point, let's talk about the downward glance. When a woman is genuinely attracted to a man, she may look away, but instead of shifting her gaze to the side, she'll glance downward. This subtle behavior is a subconscious sign of attraction and often reveals a mix of curiosity and shyness. This response is deeply rooted in human psychology. A downward glance often signals respect, admiration, or interest. If you notice a girl making eye contact and then lowering her gaze before looking away, she's likely drawn to you. Recognizing these cues will help you navigate social interactions more confidently. 3. Emotional outbursts. Women express attraction differently than men, and one of the most telling signs is through emotional outbursts. Have you ever noticed a girl suddenly laughing louder than usual when you're around or speaking in an animated tone? This is no accident. When a woman is attracted to someone, her body releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, which often makes her more expressive. This can manifest as sudden laughter, exaggerated reactions, or playful teasing. If you notice this kind of behavior directed at you, it's a clear indication that she's trying to get your attention. 4. Lower body movement. One of the most overlooked yet telling signs of attraction lies in a woman's lower body movements. When a girl likes someone, her body reacts instinctively, often without her even realizing it. She might adjust her posture, cross and uncross her legs, or subtly shift in her seat. These seemingly small gestures can reveal a lot about how she feels. But why does this happen? Body language is a powerful form of nonverbal communication. Women naturally reposition themselves in a way that makes them appear more approachable and attractive when they're around someone they like. If she's making these small movements while also stealing glances at you, it's a strong indication that she's interested. 5. Engaging conversation. One of the strongest indicators of attraction is how invested she is in a conversation with you. Women love to connect through words, and when they're interested in someone, they'll make an effort to keep the conversation going. Pay attention to how she interacts with you. If she leans in while talking, maintains steady eye contact, and mirrors your gestures, she's deeply engaged. Also, take note of the types of questions she asks. If she's inquiring about your interests, future goals, or personal experiences, it means she genuinely wants to get to know you better. These are clear signs of attraction that go beyond surface-level small talk. Conclusion. And there you have it, 5 undeniable signs that a girl is genuinely attracted to you. By sharpening your ability to read these cues, you'll be able to recognize when a woman is interested, giving you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, attraction isn't just about looks, it's about presence, observation, and knowing how to interpret subtle signals. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more expert insights into relationships and human psychology. See you in the next video.